Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to BCIS 1305, section VF3 or VF5. Make sure you enroll to either one of my class. Double check your roster, okay? Well, I assume that when you view my orientation, that means you are enrolled in my class, okay? On the top, when student log into Blackboard, click the Start Here link located on the left-hand panel, okay? Here you can find information about me, okay? My picture, as well as a brief introduction, okay? Read that slowly and carefully so you can get to know me a little bit better, okay? And then underneath of that, I have a video orientation, right? There are two video orientations, so please watch and review them a few times if needed, so student can understand and familiar with the course for this mini master. All right. Underneath of that, again, I have instruction how to set up a Discord. Okay, Discord is basically an online apps where student can get tutoring or assistance from the lab staff here at the department. Okay, so click this link. I have an attachment called instruction for setting up Discord in your computer. Click this. Okay. I have about 10 pages, right? So read this carefully. Maybe student can print this one, okay? Read this or print this one, read it carefully. Once student set up, you may need to enter a password. I believe the password to join the group is this one, COSC 2024, okay? This is the password to enter a group, okay? So install this, all right? So let me see. Let's go down. Okay. Here is the name of our lab assistant. They are available from Monday to Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. Esteban Cedillo, Mr. Esteban Cedillo, Reno Cantu, and Mario Ramirez. Let me see if I can show you. Here we go. Here. This is called a Discord app, right? Since you are enrolled in my BCIS, so you can click here and you can see the lab assistant here on the right hand corner, right? And you have a welcoming and general chat session. Okay, it may take some time for students to get familiar with the apps. However, it's pretty user friendly. Okay, so I would suggest that student install this in the first week of class. Okay. Okay, so we talk about instructor, welcoming message, video orientation, and Discord. Okay, Discord app, how to install and set up a Discord. The next item that I'm going to talk about is communication with the instructor. All right, here is my primary email address, shusimchu@southtexascollege.edu, and my office phone number is 872-2194 in case you want to call me, and I will respond your email. If I'm not available, I will respond your voicemail or phone call messages within 24 to 48 hours. Okay. Office location is in Building M, 149 Pecan Campus. If you happen to be in the area and you want to stop by and see me in the office, please do so. My office is in across HEB, which is, if you go to the main campus, across the street, there will be a new buildings there. There are a lot of new buildings there, okay? So I'm in Building M, 149. My office hour is from 9 to 10:30 a.m. Monday to Thursday. I will be online here on the left hand side. Where is it? Online chat. I will be over there. Let me rename this. I think I need to rename this online office hour. Okay? Online office hour. So student can go there. Anyway, I will create a link over there. Alright? Monday to Thursday, 9 to 10:30 a.m. Okay? For the purpose of course management, I like student to send email through here, right? Through BB email. So click this link. Okay. I'm going to send you email, okay, to all of you. Contact info. Please provide your contact info in case an instructor would like to speak to student. Okay, and then thanks. Okay, so I'm gonna send you email. When I send this email, student will receive it here in the folder called inbox, right? And then you click this contact info, and then you just click reply to the sender. All right, if you reply to all, that means all your info will be sent to all of your classmates. Okay, and I think you just want to send your contact info to the sender, to the instructor. Okay, so please email through Blackboard only, because if you send me through this link, I know that you are from this class automatically. All right. Okay, so that's how you communicate with the instructor. Okay, this is my primary email address. However, for the purpose of this class, please email through this BB email on the left hand panel. Essential course information. Okay, on the top you have information about myself again, a little bit background on my education and my experience before I came to teach here at South Texas College. Okay, course learning outcome and program learning outcome. Please read this because this is very important. I think let me read this one so students know what they're going to learn. Okay, the first one is to describe the fundamental of information technology concepts like hardware, software, security, and privacy. Second learning outcome, demonstrate proper file management techniques to manipulate electronic files and folders in local, network, and online environment. The third one, create business document with Word software using spelling, grammar, check, format, layout, table, citation, graphics, and mail merge. Fourth, create a business document and analyze data with spreadsheet using table, sorting filtering, chart, graphics, pivot table, micro, statistical, financial, and lookup function and formulas and add-ins. Okay. Create business multimedia presentation with presentation software using template, list, group, themes, color, clip art, picture, tables, video, chart, and views. Okay. And then we have database and manage data with database software using Access database such as table, query, view, and form and report. 7. Integrate business software application. And 8. Use web-based technology to conduct ethical business research. And The last one is which is 9. So we have 9 learning outcomes. Use goal seeking and what if analysis to solve problems and make adjustment and recommendation in the business environments. Okay, so these are the 9 learning outcomes. Any college, any courses that you take at the college, you will need to read this program and learning outcome for the course. It's very important because these are the materials that we are going to cover throughout the semester. Require resources. This we are going to use a free, open source or OER textbook. That means the resources are free for distribution and use for students. We do not need to pay or buy anymore. Okay, let me show you the link. Let me click this link. So these are the information about the textbook. All right, edu.gfcglobal.org/en. EN stands for English. If you scroll down and go to technology here, right? Go to technology. These are some of the topics that we are going to learn. Okay. Again, the website is edu.gfcglobal.org/en/subject/tech. Okay. So student will come with this, and then I click the technology. Let me see, where are we here? So we are here, right? Okay, so we talk about essential course information, require course, and then require instructional material, right? I hope you have computer or desktop. If you don't, then you may need to go to library to use a computer. Since we are in the pandemic, be sure you call the library before you go to the campus. Okay, we are going to use Office 2016. Okay, the curriculum will be using 2016. If you have 2013, it's fine as well. Okay, the concept is almost the same. Okay, you may need to have a broadband internet connection, right? Because if you don't have internet, then student cannot take an online class. At least you have access to it. Okay. Student service and technical support in here. Okay. At this number, at this email address, this number and this email address. Guide to netiquette. Okay. Do not write in all caps. Do not leave the subject line in blank. Write in proper English. Follow correct punctuation and grammar. Begin and end email properly. Okay, and keep it brief and to the point. Keep it simple and to the point. All right, that is essential information. So let's move to the syllabus and schedule. Okay, if student click this one, click here for the syllabus, you can see the syllabus there. All right. So I would suggest student download this one and review and go over thoroughly and carefully. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So the syllabus is in this link, is on the top, all right? Course schedule. We only have 8 weeks here, right? We only have 8 weeks. So let me revise this, okay? Let me pause this video so I can revise this a little bit. Okay, I just fixed this about the course schedule. Since we are in a mini master, whenever you see V section or VF section, that means that this is a mini master. Okay, we normally cover this class for 16 weeks. Okay, the mini master is only 8 weeks. That means students need to spend numerous hours and effort dedicated for the class in order to be successful. Okay, again, this class, we normally cover this class for 16 weeks. For VF section, which is VF section, this is called a mini master. That means we compress the material into 8 weeks. Students need to spend numerous hours and effort dedicated to the class. For example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 2.5 hours each is better rather than students spend 5 or 6 hours on the weekend. Students need to spread out the tasks or completing assignment on a regular basis, because there are a lot of assignments to be finished just in one day, and I don't want students to get stressed out and also not learning the material well. Based on my past experience, students learn better when they set an interval: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays, rather than one large chunk, 8 or 10 hours. Okay, all right. Here we have 8 weeks. So I have a course schedule here. This is a tentative schedule. We may slightly ahead or behind schedule depending on the class performance, but I will follow these course schedules. Okay. The other one is course grade. Okay. How is the grading criteria for this course? We have office lab, right? Office lab, 20%. Okay. Office lab, 20%. And then skill test, 20%. Office integration, 10%. So the total of this office is 50%. We have research assignment, paper and presentation, 10%. Midterm and final is 15% each. Okay, so this is 30% plus 10 is 40, and the last one, discussion and assignment, and 10%. So the total, in case student get all hundreds, then mean student will accumulate to the max 100%. As you notice that we have a lot of items that need to be covered within 8 weeks period. So please pay attention with this, because as an instructor, I want the student not only succeed in the class but learning the materials. Okay. If you think that this is too much for you, I would suggest students to enroll in a regular semester. Okay. Contact with your advisor, academic advisor. Ask them to consider or reconsider on a regular semester. All right. The course grade, letter grade is basically follow the school policy. Okay. 90 to 100 is A, 80 to 90 is a B, 70 to 80 is a C, 60 to 70 is a D, and anything below 60 is an F. All right. So these are the grading criteria for the course. Okay. Let me go back here and see what happened. We still in start here. What else here? We talk about syllabus, schedule, and course policy. Okay. By the way, student can monitor your progress report by selecting the My Grade link menu. Here is on the left hand panel. Student can check their progress report throughout the semester on the left hand link here. All right. Student technical resources and support. Click this folder and student can get help. We have information, contact information for student support, distance learning, financial aid, admission or cashier. Okay. Tutoring help about the Discord. I think I already posted here earlier in the start here, but I put it again. Okay. And Blackboard chart, Blackboard chat. Okay. Alright, so the rest of this information student can read this on your own. Okay. And I will make part 2 or part B of video orientation in a bit. Alright. Since normally I only limit to 20 to 25 minutes per video per video session. Alright, so hope to see you in the second part. Thank you.